So inside Kit there is a platform called Commerce, which allows you to sell your products and services. One of the things you can do in there is set up like a tip jar, that's what it's referred to in Kit, or what a lot of people call it is buy me a coffee. So I'm going to show you inside Kit how you can do that. Now I will start by saying that if you're going to use this, then Commerce has to be available in your territory. It's not necessarily available in every territory in the world, but just check Kit's website and you'll see if it's applicable in yours. So I'm going to start by going to Earn, and then under here you can see there's a section that says Tips. Give your audience a simple way to support your work. So I'll click on Set Up Tips. I'm going to call it Buy Me Coffee. See next. And I'm going to click on Set Up Tips. And you can see it comes up with this sort of screen here. On the left hand side there's an image you can add in there, so I'm going to click place and add in, let's say, this image here. And then rather than say send a tip, I'm going to change that to buy me a coffee. Okay. And then you can see down here that there's default amounts, so choose an amount: $5, $10, $20, $50, or other amount. So people can just type in exactly what they want to give you. So I'm going to click save and then publish, and then that little button there, that copy button, I can copy that and create a new incognito window just to show you what it looks like to visitors. Click that, it brings up this screen here, and they can either choose $5, $10, $20, $50, or another amount, and they can put in whatever they want to put in there. So let's say they want to put in $3, buy me a coffee, and then it takes them through the payment process, pay their $3, and that money will arrive in your bank. You obviously need to connect your bank account to your Kit account, but that's all done through the Commerce platform, which if it's available in your territory, then Kit will guide you through that process. So it really is very simple. It takes 5 minutes to set up. Buy me a coffee. It's a great way of you helping people without actually invoicing them, and for them just a way for them to say thanks, I appreciate your help.